Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am showing you an amazing new app setup that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment on your Firestick. Plus, I have a quick step-by-step installation guide coming up that takes just a few minutes. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So why does your Firestick get sluggish or run into streaming blocks? It usually comes down to data throttling from your internet provider, or heavy cache buildup on the default system networks. Let us fix that right now and unlock the ultimate free media hub. Step 1. Clear your Firestick system cache. Go to your settings menu on the home screen, click on Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down to your heavily used apps and click Clear Cache. This removes data clutter instantly. It makes your entire system super snappy. Step 2. Install the Tubi TV application. Check this out. It is a total game changer for free live channels and on-demand movies. Search for Tubi in the Amazon App Store. Click Download. Once it installs, open the app. You do not even need an account to start streaming premium entertainment completely legal. Step 3. Set up Plex. This one is a no-brainer for cord cutters. Search for Plex in the Find section of your Firestick. Download and launch the app. Skip the complicated server setup if you want. Just click straight into the free movies and live TV section on the left sidebar. Step 4. Optimize your network connection settings. Go back to your main settings. Click on Network. Select your current internet network and click Forget Network. Reconnect to your router, but choose the advanced option this time. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. This connects you straight to the Google public servers and stops internet provider throttling. Step 5. Adjust your display and audio output settings. Go to Settings. Click on Display and Sounds. Set your resolution to auto-match original frame rate. If you use a streaming soundbar, make sure your high-speed cable is plugged into a port labeled HDMI 2.1. For wireless internet connections, always connect your Firestick to the 5 GHz wireless network instead of the older 2.4 GHz band to maximize your download speeds. Here's a quick pro tip to keep your new setup running at maximum speed. Go into your Firestick Preferences menu, click on Privacy Settings, turn off device usage data and turn off Collect app usage data. This stops background tracking scripts from running. It saves your processor power for smooth video playback. Drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely turn your streaming device into a free powerhouse today. See you in the next one.